Super interesting ng ating bagong recipe, cheesy shrimps. Paano ba siya ginawa? Tingnan natin.
Simple, luto na, ha-ha, luto na, ha-ha.
So, una, isi-season natin yung ating shrimp with salt. And igigisa natin yung ating bawang at sibuyas with butter. But if you saute with butter, you have to add a little oil or else mabilis masunog ito. So, cooking oil and our butter. Melt our butter. Saute our onions. And our garlic. Pag naging translucent na yung ating sibuyas at mabango na yung bawang, lalagay na natin yung ating hipon. Yan. Perfecto na ulam at pwede ding appetizer. Yan. This recipe is part of the UFC 50th Anniversary Cookbook and contribution to ni Madam Rosana Basco, and napaka-interesting ng story niya dahil of all places, hospital pa niya natutunan nung na-hospital yung bunsong anak niya for dengue, and it seems to be a very nice recipe. And now we will add our UFC tamis anghang banana ketchup. Yan. So very saucy. Yan. Tamis anghang. Perfect for adults and kids as well. Masarap to with rice. No, I can imagine. Pwede mo siya sa sizzling plate like what I'm doing, or pwede mo din igisa sa inyong frying pan. Season with salt if you want. And pepper to taste. Halo natin. Natatakam na ako, ha. Look at that. Masarap din to pag spicy. May UFC hot sauce pa. Pwede. Yan. And to finish it, we will just grate cheese on top. Ay. As much as you want. And just let it simmer for a few minutes until medyo mag-melt yung ating cheese and all the flavors come together. Titikman natin, ha. Hindi na ako nakatiis. Ang sarap niya. Yan na. Ang bilis lang lutuin, no? And super sarap siya. Lagyan mo ng chili flakes. Perfect na perfect siya. Ang ating cheesy shrimp. Simple!